Hello everyone, welcome back. I've made several masalas for you. I've made a sambar masala, a garam masala, but today I'm making a masala that's so unique. Some of you have heard of it, some of you may not have heard of it. It's called Jeeravan Masala. It's a specialty of Madhya Pradesh, right in the middle of India. The Jeeravan Masala is used in several different things. In Indori Poha, that's a very famous dish. In dals, in several meat dishes. So we're going to make that for you. Let's get started. The first step for our Jeerawan masala, let's talk about the ingredients which are key, right? So here I have some whole spices and I have bay leaves, some red chili, I have some cinnamon, there's black pepper, cumin seeds, fennel seeds or sauce, black cardamom, green cardamom, some mace and some cloves. Those are my whole spices which we're going to roast and then blend. Then I have some pre-ground spices as well. So here I have coriander powder, amchur, which is dry mango powder. I have some ginger powder, black salt or kala namak, I have some asafoetida or hing, and some turmeric. So all of these are going to go in a blender, but first let's roast these spices off. Okay, here's a tip for you while roasting masalas. Don't add red chilies first. Why not? Because red chilies, they smoke very quickly. So we don't want smoke over here. We want to start roasting this. Once these spices over here, the rest of the spices, start releasing the aroma, which I can see they're already releasing some aroma right now, then we'll break our chilies in half so that we get the seeds out and add them. And I don't know if you can see this on camera, but there's some smoke coming off of that already. And the smell in this kitchen is just absolutely fabulous. So you can imagine what this masala is going to be at the end of the day. So we roast this just for about 2 minutes, just for releasing aromas, no other reason. And once we're done with roasting this, we will add our dry masalas. Cool this off. We'll add our dry masalas and then we'll get to blending. Okay, so here are our masalas. I've cooled those roasted spices, added my dry spices to it, my ground spices. We're going to blend this. Now, I love this thing. This is actually a coffee grinder, but it's perfect for grinding spices. So if you have one of these at home, great. If not, just use a regular blender. That also works. So this one has a nice feature. I put it in there and bam. So what we want to do with this is grind it for about 2 minutes till you get a nice fine powder. We don't want any coarseness in this. Once we do that, I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, I think that should be done. Let's have a look. Okay, as you can see, that's a super fine powder. And the aromas are just filling my kitchen. This is your Jeeravan masala. Now, because I have Jeeravan masala made, I am going to make the most famous MP dish called Indori Poha next for you. And the key ingredient in that is this, the Jeeravan masala. So I hope you enjoyed watching this. Do use this in dals and curries, in meat dishes, obviously in Indori Poha. And any questions you have on this, always happy to answer. Do subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.